If you want power, the Larson Electronics MGL 480 15K 12208Y 12x22x30 temporary power distribution system converts three-phase 480-volt AC electrical current into single-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. A hooded cover folds out to create a NEMA 3R in-use cover. On the primary side, operators connect three-phase 480-volt AC power at 60 Hz. On the secondary side, operators connect two L630R receptacles for 208-volt equipment, as well as up to 12 520R GFCI duplex receptacles for 120-volt equipment. All receptacles are equipped with weatherproof covers. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard steel dolly cart style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. Two rubber tires and a cart-style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. In-the-field maintenance is made easy with a 1/8 T-handle and a few turns to remove the cover plates to gain access to the receptacles and breakers. The transformer is grounded to the frame, and we provide a grounding lug on the frame for the earth ground. These heavy-duty systems are made with protective construction, and the run-flat tires allow for portability around the job site. These units are certified to UL 1640. All equipment is NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. Units are available up to 150 KVA and can be equipped with skids or trailer mounted. This power distribution system is ideal for indoor and outdoor use and applications including but not limited to construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.